A comedian recently put out a video depicting truck drivers fat and out of shape. Everybody know who I'm talking about. This brother has made it big in doing skits. He's famous now. I don't really take offense to it. You know, it's kind of funny. But I do take offense. Because I'm 25 plus years in the game. And as you can see, I'm not fat. He depicted a truck driver having a big old belly. Way out there. There are many out here that are that huge. But I'm not. I'm not one. But I'm 40, 146, 147, 25 plus years in the game. I see a lot of truck drivers who can't hardly get in or out of the truck. But I consider myself to be healthy. I believe I'm kind of fine. And I can run a little bit too. Not all truck drivers are obese.